Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir and today I will be continuing our standard 9th math second chapter number 2 parallel lines, and in parallel lines we will see today practice set 2.2 question number 6, which is the last question of your this exercise, this practice set. My dear students, I hope till now you had knowledge of two parallel lines and its transversal, because this same chapter was there in 8th standard as well. Please look at the board for practice set 2.2 question number 6. Practice set 2.2 question number 6. A transversal EF. Can you see EF means this line. This line is a transversal. किसकी transversal है? Of line AB and line CD. Can you see this line AB and line CD? So this line EF is a transversal of line AB and line CD. Okay, in which intersects at a point P and Q. Can you see EF intersect AB and CD at P and Q respectively? Okay, now see ray PR, this is small ray PR is parallel to ray QS means this PR is parallel to QS. This is given in your question. If these two lines are parallel, it means the angles which will form inside them, or it is Z is forming. Can you see it is Z? So they are alternate angles. Okay. So please pay attention here. Ray PR parallel to ray QS. PR is parallel to ray QS. Okay. And which is also a bisector of angle BPQ. See here BPQ. So ray PR is an angle bisector of angle BPQ. Can you see here? I have written here X, and this is also X, because ray PR is an angle bisector, and angle bisector divides the angle into two equal parts. So this is also X and this is also X. Okay. Now see what else. And QS is also angle bisector of angle PQC. PQC. Pay attention here. PQC. So a ray QS is also an angle bisector. Can you see here? I have written this is also Y and this is also Y. It means this and this angle are equal. Okay. So now what we have to prove? We have to prove that line AB means this line AB is parallel to line CD. Okay. So we have to prove. We will not write solution. We will write proof. So my dear students, first whatever you can see, you can write as according to you also. See, this is my method. If you understand directly, you can apply the things as per your understanding. See, by looking at this figure, I can write angle BPR. Can you see BPR? It means this angle is equals to this angle. Why? Because ray PR is an angle bisector. So I have written angle BPR, this BPR, ये वाला, is equals to angle QPR, ये वाला, ये दो angle, okay, is equals to X. Why? Because ray PR is an angle bisector of BPQ. Is it clear? Because of ray PR bisects angle BPQ. Okay. PR ने BPQ के दो equal parts किए. So I will consider this X. So this is also will be X, because angle bisector is dividing the angle into two equal parts. Like same here also. Okay. Can you see CQS is equals to PQS. Is it clear? CQS यहाँ से CQS ये वाला angle, okay, is equals to angle PQS ये वाला angle. Now we are talking about these two angles. So this is ray QS is an angle bisector. Yes, ray QS bisects the angle CQP or PQC. You can say PQC also, you can say CQP also, no problem. Is it clear? So if I will consider this angle as a Y, this also will be Y. Why? Because ray QS is an angle bisector. QS ने क्या किया? एंगल के दो इक्वल पार्ट्स किए. So my dear friends, now I will see, I want angle BPQ. I want angle BPQ. इन दोनों को मिलाकर BPQ BPQ कैसे होगा? Angle BPQ is possible by addition of these two angles. So I have written here angle addition property. So angle BPQ is equals to angle BPR, this one, plus angle QPR, this one. So x plus x, 2x. Angle BPQ will be 2x. That is our third answer. Okay. Now similarly for this angle PQC or angle CQP, you can say it is 2y. Is it clear? Because QS is an angle bisector. So I will write it is 2y. See here. Similarly we will get angle PQC, this angle is equals to 2y. Okay. Now see, ray PR, it is given in your question. Ray PR is parallel to ray QS. Means this PR is parallel to QS. It can be visible. ये दिख रहा है कि ये parallel है. Okay. So it is given in the question on transversal PQ and PQ is transversal. If these two lines, ये दो line अगर parallel है and this PQ is intersecting these two parallel lines, means ray PQ is a transversal. See, PR and QS are parallel to each other and PQ is transversal. Okay, so I will write angle QPR. Now we will focus inside only. Please pay attention here. This and this. Okay, please pay attention. Z बनता है. Can you see here? यहाँ पे Z बनता है. Yes or no, my dear friends? Look at here. ऐसा Z बनता है. Okay, so it is a Z forming. So we can say that angle QPR, this angle is equals to angle PQS, this angle, because they are alternate angles. So here alternate angle theorem is possible. So I will write QPR is X and PQS is Y. So we can say X is equals to Y. How it is possible? From first and second, as we know that QPR, see QPR X था और in second we have seen PQS Y था. So X is equals to Y. Why? Because these two lines are parallel to each other and PQ is transversal. तो Z बनता है. क्या बनता है? Z. ऐसा Z बनता है. Z बना, it means it is a Z बनता है. It means it is a alternate angle theorem is possible here. So I will write X is equals to Y. So now my dear friends, if I will multiply this whole left hand side and right hand side by 2, multiplying both the sides by 2, so it will be 2x, it will be 2y, which will be is equals to, अगर ये 2x और 2y हो जाते हैं, so 2x is equals to what? Angle BPQ. See, BPQ दो एंगल है 2x, okay, and 2y is angle PQC or CQP. Is it clear? How? Because it is written over here angle x is equals to angle y. Angle x angle y के equal है. Why? Because they are alternate angles. And if I will multiply it by 2, अगर मैं दोनों को multiply by 2 करूँगा, so it will be 2x and 2y. And 2x is a value of angle BPQ. Can you see here? BPQ, it is written here in third equation. Angle BPQ is equals to 2x. Okay, then see the fourth one, and angle PQC is equals to 2y. So 2y की जगह पे हम लिखेंगे angle PQC from third and fourth. Therefore, I will write now this angle. Please pay attention towards the board. So this angle, see this and this. Okay, यहाँ से यहाँ तक. It is also alternate angle test. Can you see? BPQ is equals to PQC. So therefore I can say that line AB is parallel to line CD. Why? Because its alternate angles are equal or congruent. Therefore I will say the line AB is congruent to line, is parallel to line CD. Am I clear? I hope you understood the explanation. Is it clear? I will say angle BPQ is equals to 2x and angle PQC is also 2y. And we had learned here x is equals to y, 2x is equals to 2y. So ये alternate angles test pass हो गया. So I will write Therefore, line AB is parallel to line CD. How it is parallel? By alternate angle test. यहाँ पर alternate angle test पास हो गया. So therefore, I can say line AB is parallel to line CD. I hope you understood the explanation and the sketch which I had made over here. It is very easy to understand. After finishing this 2.2, please students, you should write problem set question number 1, that is MCQ. There are total 5 MCQs. You will write it down, 5 MCQs in your notebook. You have to learn it. Is it clear? In the next session, I will start maths first. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.